Hi, Luna Longhorns. Welcome back to day 2 of SCE Math. All right, so really quickly, those of you who come to the live session today will do a warm-up talking about what is your favorite number. So you have to choose a number 1 through 9 and put your answer in the chat. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next page. That would be welcome, welcome, aloha. I'm so glad that you guys are here. So this is for 7th and 8th grade SCE Math, and welcome to class. So let's move on to the next thing. Reminders about supplies needed every day. You're going to need your paper and pencil, and obviously the link to the Desmos calculator, which is currently on here. And for those of you who don't know, just go to desmos.com/calculator, and it will pull up for you. And if you want to know what it looks like, this is what it looks like right here, and you just type in whatever it is that you need to have done. So let's say that I have 1.25 plus 8.75 and you get 10. So moving on. So the next thing that you guys can do here is let's move back. Sorry, I got a little bit distracted there. Mr. Foy walked in while I was recording, but that's okay. So our video conferencing norms, remember, use the chat or select raise hand to ask questions. Stay engaged by actively participating. Be respectful and open to one another's ideas. Keep mics muted until called on by the teacher. And yes, guys, I do want you to unmute whenever we're in the middle of a class discussion. If I say unmute and tell me something, do it, because it's very lonely over here all by myself. So I want to make sure that you guys can have discussions with me and feel comfortable with me. So anyway, moving on. So let's talk about what is expected of you when you get up in the morning and start logging in. They want you to, number 1, go to mynisd.nisd.net, which is your portal. Get logged into your portal. Then number 2, go into your Gmail. Number 3, go into Zoom. And number 4, go into Schoology. There is a rhyme and a reason as to why they want you to do it in that order. I think it's very beneficial to you because I think it's going to make things easier and not have too many glitches. So moving on. Oh, look, there's my welcome message. Okay, so here's what I want to talk to you guys about. As you can see, now this is 8th period, but as you can see, it tells you what time you're supposed to join, and you're supposed to click on the link in order to join the class for the day at that time. Then you can always come in a few minutes early. That's not a big deal. I'll let you in as soon as I see you. But then I want to talk to you guys about how you get into your homework. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press and double click on first 9 weeks down here below my picture. All right. Then once you double click on first 9 weeks, that's going to take you into a folder with a bunch of weeks in it. And currently we are week of August 24th through the 28th. So you're going to double click on the purple folder, and then that is going to take you into the Monday through Friday folders. So once you get into Monday through Friday, now obviously today is Tuesday, so you're going to double click on the Tuesday folder and open that up. And then you're going to open up, and this is day 2 of getting to know you, so you'll double click on that. And once you're in, you have to go to the bottom here where it says your folder, and you can either press this link right here, or you can double click there, and that should open up your assignment. Okay, and give it a few seconds because sometimes it takes a little while to open it up. Okay, and then of course, notice how it says submissions up here at the top. That's where you can submit your assignment. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the next slide. And sometimes it's going to show up like this where you have to click on My Documents and open it that way. All right, so there you have it. All right, so let's talk about the Zoom for a moment. So when you log in, you need to make sure that you first off join audio, which is right here. Okay, and sometimes it'll pop up right here where you can just click on this. Okay, and yes, you want to join audio by your computer. Then you want to click on Start Video. Start Video is going to let me see you. Okay, now I know some of you are very shy and don't want me to see what's going on in your home, and that's okay. You don't have to, but if you can, I'd like you to, so I can see you. All right, then we're going to move into, if you click on Manage Participants, it's going to show you who's in your class. And underneath that, it's also going to give you a place where you can check mark yes or check mark no, or tell me to go slower or go faster. It's also going to have this little 3-piece button right here, and that's going to give you guys a thumbs up, a thumbs down, and a wave, so that you guys can wave at me and I can see what you are doing and what you agree with or anything like that. So we have an activity today that is going to ask you to use the thumbs up and the wave. So make sure you know where that's located. So it's right here. You press Manage Participants, and then you do the more, and it's going to take you to the thumbs up and the wave. All right. So then we come over here to chat. Now the chat is automatically going to open up right here underneath the participants, where you can type in questions, or you can type in an answer if I'm asking you for an answer to something. All right, let's move on. The rest of these you really won't have on your screen because these are mainly my controls, but that's okay. So when I get to the end and I'm letting you go, mine says end with this red button right here, but yours is going to say leave Zoom. And you just click on leave Zoom and that'll take you out of Zoom for the day. I'm sure many of you figured that out, but it's just there to help you. All right, so moving on. So we're going to play a game called That's Me today using the thumbs up and the hand. All right. And then for those of you that missed out yesterday, my favorites are walking, swimming, quilting and crocheting blankets, and I like to go out and wake surf and wakeboard and ski and stuff like that. So I do have a video of that, but you'll have to come to class to see it. All right, and of course, my family time. I have a dog named Sandy. I have fish. I have a husband named Christopher sitting right here. And the baby is actually my little cousin. We're at a wedding. And down here is my adopted son, Andrew. Okay? All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime you need to. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.